Hello everybody, welcome back to EduTap. In this particular video, we will talk about the competition which you can expect in the RBI Grade B 2025 exam. Okay, now to take the proceedings forward, I would like to take the help of the RTI data from the last year of the year 2024. Now there is a lot of information given, but I will focus on the total number of students. You can see the category wise distribution also. Okay, now if you see, my friends, from the RTI data, almost like 1,296 students filled the form. They filled the form for RBI Grade B, but only 67,491 actually appeared. So this basically means 30 to 32% of the students who fill the forms are not serious for the RBI Grade B. They are just filling the form by doing time pass, for doing time pass. They are not serious. So your actual competition starts from 67,491 and not from 1,296. Make this thing very much clear in your mind. Okay, now if you see, from 67,491, only 906 students were able to move from phase 1 to phase 2. So therefore we can easily conclude that your chances of selection in phase 1 is roughly around 1.34%. It basically means phase 1 is real competition cutter. It's like ruthless. You cannot afford to have any major weakness. I'm using the word major weakness in phase 1. So make sure, my friends, that you are all ready before you enter into the examinations hall for phase 1. Now if you see, from phase 1 to phase 2, from 906, only 196 students were called for interview. So if you see, in phase 2, the selection ratio is roughly around 21.6%. So your chances of selection slightly increases. It increases from 1.34% in phase 1 to 21.6% in phase 2. And if you see, in interview, from 196, only 62 students are selected as the final RBI Grade B officers. And if you see, in your interview stage, the highest chances are there for your selection. So phase 1 is the most toughest part of RBI. Phase 2, yes, moderately tough. Phase 3 is also tough. But if you compare all the phases, definitely phase 1 is very, very tough to clear. Make sure that you give your best shot in phase 1, and then definitely you just have to continue your efforts. But the chances of selection will increase once you move from phase 1 to phase 2, from phase 2 to interview. So this is all about competition. Do let me know in the comment box if you have any doubt on this particular video. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.